In Helix mode, you can capture cinematic footage with just a few taps. Flying complicated routes is easier than ever before. Take off and hover at least 2 meters above the ground before shooting. Open the DJI Fly app and choose Helix in Quick Shots. Select your desired flight radius, then select your subject by tapping or dragging a box around it on the screen. Tap Start and wait. Mavic Mini will automatically fly towards the target area and begin recording. The aircraft will then begin circling around the subject with the distance between itself and the subject gradually increasing until the preset flight distance is reached. To exit a quick shot during shooting, tap the X on the right side of your screen or short press the upper left button on the remote controller, and the aircraft will stop and hover in place. After shooting, the app will automatically generate a 15-second video. You can preview the video you just finished in the playback interface. Tap the Quick Shots icon at the bottom right to switch back to the original clip. You can also tap Edit at the bottom right of the screen to redo the edit. Don't forget to share your epic shot on social media.